Windelin's mom, Sinin's mom. Okay. Windelin and Sinin is in the school, pa?
Yeah.
So, okay, I will give you the delivery and you will tell them na mag-take video after. Yeah. So, Sinin, she have 5 bucks of choco pie. Okay, and also 1,000 pesos for her. Okay, and lastly, Windelin, she have 500 pesos allowance also. Okay, and that is from Dongjunim.
Dongjunim, anyang sayo. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, take a video tayo di mga malimot. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Nga sa'yo, Irisha's mom.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so what time pa maabot si Irisha?
4:30.
4:30. Okay, so I'm here to deliver and you will receive the delivery for Irisha. She have 5 bucks of choco pie and she also have 500 pesos allowance. Okay, and you will take a video na lang when she arrive. Okay, and that is from Dongjunim.
Dongjunim, annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida. Horisha.
Okay, bye bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Dongjunin. Thank you for the allowance and the choco pie. Kamsahamnida. Take care always and be healthy. God bless. Kamsahamnida. Bye-bye.
Yummy.
Yummy. Dongjunin, kamsahamnida. Dongjunin, kamsahamnida. Dongjunin, kamsahamnida. Bye. Bye. See you later. See you soon.